Just Easy English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Easy English podcast. I'm Hazel.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you're here with us. How are you doing today, Hazel?
I'm great, Mark. So, quick question for you and for everyone watching. Have you ever been in a conversation in English and your brain is working so hard? You hear something in English, then you translate it to your language, then you think of an answer in your language, and then translate it back to English?
Oh my goodness. Yes, and by the time you finish all that work in your head, the conversation is over.
Exactly. Today, we're going to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English naturally.
And the best part, you can do this in just 7 days with only 10 minutes of practice each day.
Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our English learning tips.
Alright, let's go.
So Mark, let me ask you something. When you were learning Spanish, did you translate everything?
Oh, absolutely. Every single word, and you know what happened?
What's that?
I was so slow. Someone would say, "How are you?" And in my head, I'm translating, thinking, translating again. And then finally I say, "I'm fine, thank you," but the person already walked away.
That's so relatable. And that's the problem with translating. It creates extra steps in your brain.
Think about it like this. Imagine you want to go from your house to the supermarket. The supermarket is right next to your house. But instead of walking directly there, you walk to your friend's house first, then to the park, then finally to the supermarket.
That's a perfect example. Translating is like taking a long, complicated road when there's a short, easy path right there.
Exactly, and here's another problem. When you translate word by word, sometimes it doesn't make sense.
Oh yes. Let me share a story. I had a student named Maria from Brazil. She wanted to say I have 25 years old because in Portuguese, that's how you say it. But in English,
We say I am 25 years old, not I have.
right. Word-by-word translation doesn't work because every language is different. English has its own way of expressing ideas.
So let me ask everyone watching, do you translate in your head when you speak English? Type yes or no in the comments right now. We want to hear from you.
Great! And don't worry if you said yes. Most English learners start by translating. The good news is, you can learn to stop.
Okay, so if translating is the problem, what's the solution?
We have a simple 3-step method that will help you think in English naturally. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Step 1 is picture, don't translate.
Picture, don't translate. What does that mean?
Instead of translating words, create pictures or images in your mind. Let me give you an example. If I say apple, don't think of the word for apple in your language. Just see a picture of a red, delicious apple in your mind.
Oh, I see. So when someone says dog, I just imagine a cute dog, not the word in my language.
Exactly. This connects English words directly to meanings, not to translations.
I love this. Here's a quick practice for everyone. I'm going to say some words, and you just picture them in your mind. Don't translate. Ready?
Let's do it.
Coffee. Smile. Running. Beach.
Great. Did you see the pictures in your mind? That's thinking in English.
Now, step 2, use English phrases as chunks.
Yes, in English, we don't speak word by word. We use groups of words together. We call them chunks or phrases.
For example, when we greet someone, we don't say how are you. We say how are you. It's one smooth chunk.
Right. Here are some common chunks you should learn as complete phrases. How's it going? Nice to meet you. I'd like to. What do you think? That makes sense.
Don't translate these word by word. Just learn them as complete expressions. It's like learning a song. You don't think about every single note. You just sing the whole song.
Perfect comparison, Mark. I had a student named Kenji from Japan. He was struggling with English conversations. Then he started learning phrases as chunks instead of individual words.
What happened then?
Within 2 weeks, his speaking became so much smoother. He stopped pausing between every word. He could say, "Would you like some coffee?" as one natural phrase instead of "Would you like some coffee?"
Oh, that's amazing. Small change, big results.
Now, step 3. Practice with situations.
This is my favorite step. Instead of memorizing random vocabulary lists, practice English in real-life situations.
Yes, think about situations you experience every day, at a coffee shop, at work, meeting friends, shopping.
And practice the English you need for those specific situations.
For example, let's practice a coffee shop situation right now. Mark, you are the customer, I'm the barista. Go.
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like room for milk?
Yes, please.
That'll be $3.50.
Here you are, thanks.
See how natural that was? We're not translating, we're using English phrases in a real situation.
Exactly, so everyone watching, think about your daily situations. What English do you need? Practice those specific conversations.
All right, now let's talk about the 7-day challenge to stop translating and start thinking in English.
And remember, you only need 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes.
Let me break down what you'll do each day. Day 1. Picture vocabulary. Spend 10 minutes looking at pictures and saying English words. Use Google Images or flashcards. See a cat, say cat. See someone running, say running. No translation.
Day 2. Learn 5 phrase chunks. Choose 5 common phrases like "I don't know," "That sounds good," "Let me think." Say them out loud 10 times each till they feel natural.
Day 3. Narrate your actions. This is fun. As you do things at home, describe them in English. I'm making coffee. I'm opening the window. I'm sitting down.
Day 4. Practice one situation. Choose a situation like ordering food or introducing yourself. Practice the conversation out loud for 10 minutes.
Day 5. Think in English. Try to think in English for 10 minutes. What are you doing? What do you see? Describe everything in your mind using English.
Day 6. Respond to questions. Watch an English video and pause it. Try to answer questions or respond to what people say without translating.
Day 7. Put it all together. Have a practice conversation with yourself for 10 minutes using everything you learned.
Now, I know some of you are thinking, but Mark, I don't have a conversation partner. How can I practice?
Great question. You can practice alone. Talk to yourself in English. I know it sounds funny, but it works.
Or use a mirror. I do this all the time. I stand in front of a mirror and have conversations with myself in English.
You can also use voice recording apps. Record yourself speaking English, then listen and check your progress.
Another tip, describe what you see around you in English. Right now, look around your room and name 5 things you see. Go ahead, try it.
And here's a challenge for you. In the comments below, describe your room in English. Say, "In my room, I can see," and list 3 things. Let's practice together.
Before we finish, let's share some success stories to inspire you.
Yes, remember Maria that I mentioned earlier? After 7 days of this method, she told me something amazing.
What did she say?
She said, "Hazel, I was talking to my English-speaking neighbor, and suddenly I realized I wasn't translating anymore. The English words just came out naturally."
Wow, that's the power of thinking in English.
And I have another student, Lee from Korea. He was always very slow when speaking because he translated everything. After practicing this method for just 1 week,
What happened?
his speaking speed improved by 50%. He could respond to questions quickly and naturally.
That's incredible. And you know what? This method works because it trains your brain to work in English, not from your language to English.
Exactly. Your brain builds new pathways. It's like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you think about every movement, but soon it becomes automatic.
So everyone watching, are you ready to take the 7-day challenge?
Comment below, "I'm ready," if you're going to start the challenge today.
And here's a tip. Find an accountability partner. Tell a friend you're doing this challenge. Practice together.
All right, everyone, let's review quickly. To stop translating and think in English.
Step 1. Picture, don't translate. Step 2. Use English phrases as chunks. Step 3. Practice with real situations.
Then follow the 7-day challenge, just 10 minutes each day. Remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient with yourself, but also practice every day. We believe in you. You can think in English naturally.
Before you go, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your English learning friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when speaking English? We read every comment.
English can be easy when you practice the right way. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.